TikTok, Instagram, Samshini. So unjani?
Ngiyaphila wena?
So what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
Why pink?
Pink, it's because it's remember me who I am.
Ish.
Hello.
Njani?
Ngiyaphila.
Ngiyaphila. Isikole.
Ngiyangena isikole.
Shabu ukubuza ne. Yazi yini sinima yaMandela?
Nelson Mandela.
Ungena phi isikole?
Ngena Nkgopotsepe.
Okay, so like who was the first black president?
Hey, banna.
Shabu ne. Ukubuza khona ama dinosaur ay5 ne. I5 yabona I5 ne. Abulela 3. Iwane i18. Phela sasaba bezingekho.
Survive. Ayikho survive.
So like uthanda imoto
Ngithanda i-GTI.
Why GTI?
Because GTI like mangiyibona nje ngibona isport.
Isport.
Yeah.
So wena uthanda isport esiphi?
Ngithanda i-airline sport.
Shabu ne. Le question ukubuza yona ne. Uyimamele noyifaka indlebeni.
Okay.
There's a white house ne. Like R&B ish. Big house ne. Everything was pink. Ama steps it is good pink.
Yonke into nje.
Yonke into pink. Ama steps were color one.
Pink.
Wa pink. You sure?
Ngokuthi everything is pink. Phandle indlu i-white.
Indlu ne. Right? Indlu ne. Everything pink. Teaspoon pink. Like it's so pink. Like everything pink.
Indlu injani?
Like indlu.
Yeah.
Everything was pink. Like I must have to Nanjani.
A pink.
Hey, he's not make sure.
So like wenzi i-grade 1.
Ngenzi grade 4.
Grade 4.
Sorry, grade 6.
Oh, grade 6. So okay. Yayenza ngisho NS.
LST.
So like what is photosynthesis?
Photosynthesis is when plants can make their own food.
Was you grade 1?
Grade 6.
Grade 6, ne. Can you spell for me high school?
High school. HIGHSCHOOL.
Okay, Princess.
Princess B.O.
Like spell it princess.
Princess. PRINCE. Please like and subscribe for this channel.
Let's play around. Subscribe in, like in, follow in. Abantwana lamajenti.
Yes, the best girl ever. Nginibonisile ukuthi amantombazana yenza kanjani ayo lento eniyenzayo nina.
Bathubi. Manje.
Thina singamantombazana kufanele uspele kanje manje yonke into ngithole correct. Ngithole correct. Ngithole yonke into perfect. Angazi nina again bathole 0.
Asivalini wale bank. Don't subscribe in. Let's play around.
And like and subscribe for perfect girl people.